Are you experiencing screen tearing, green screen, blurred or distorted images or lines or other types of screen issues on your PS5? Then here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle your PS5. If your PS5 is experiencing screen issues on your PS5 console, try power cycling the device. Here is how you can do so. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, navigate to power and select turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely shut down. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cable and turn on your PS5. Method 2. Check the HDMI cable. When the PS5 screen shows distorted images, it's important to check the HDMI cable. Start by inspecting the cable for any visible signs of wear or damage and make sure it's securely connected to both the PS5 and the display. If the issue persists, try using a different HDMI cable to see if the original one is faulty. This can help identify and potentially resolve simple causes of screen distortion, allowing you to get back to a stable and clear gaming experience. Method 3. Reconnect the HDMI cable. If your PS5 is displaying lines, distorted images, or a green screen, try reconnecting the HDMI cable. Here is how you can do so. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your PS5 and TV or monitor. Plug the HDMI cable back into both the PS5 and the display. Boot up your PS5. Check if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Check the HDMI port. If your PS5 screen shows lines or distorted images, you can try to use a different HDMI port on your TV. To do that, unplug the HDMI cable from its current port on your TV. Plug it into a different HDMI port on the TV. Turn on your PS5 and check to see if the lines or distorted images persist. Method 5. Change the video transfer rate. The next thing you can do is tweak few settings. Open Settings, select Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Select 4K Video Transfer Rate. Try turning it off or set it to Automatic. Method 6. Disable HDR. Next, disable HDR. Here is how you can adjust your PS5 settings to disable HDR, especially if your TV or monitor doesn't support it, or if you are experiencing screen issues on PS5. Navigate to Settings, go to Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Find HDR or similar settings and set it to off. Method 7. Connect PS5 directly to the display. Connecting your PS5 directly to your TV can help resolve screen issues you might be experiencing. When you route your console through a receiver or soundbar, it can sometimes cause signal degradation or introduce complications that lead to display problems. By connecting your PS5 directly to your TV, you ensure a stronger signal which can help eliminate these issues and improve your overall viewing experience. Method 8. Contact support. Screen issues can be due to internal hardware problems, so if the previous methods could not fix that, then contact the PlayStation support. Your device might require repair or replacement. And there you have it, the methods to fix the screen issues on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.